How to delete Google Pay transaction. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete your Google Pay transaction, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to delete your Google Pay transaction, first of all go and launch the Google Pay application here. Let's say that you scroll down to the recent menu, you tap the view all option, and then you'll be able to see a list of transactions that you've made. Let's say I want to go ahead and delete a specific transaction over here. Can you do that? Even if I tap the three dots, you can see I don't have the option. Well, unfortunately, to tell you, you will not be able to delete your transactions on Google Pay. Not only on Google Pay, but any of the other form of payment applications also doesn't let you delete your transaction history, because your transaction must always remain there for security purposes. Later on, if you face any type of legal issues, then the Google Pay application can always show that you have made a certain transaction. So that is why banking apps or payment applications will never let you delete your transaction. This way, hope this video helped you answer the question. If you have got any more queries, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.